Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save Instagram videos. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app and find the video that you want to save. Once you've found it, tap on the paper airplane icon at the lower right part of the user interface. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. Now, open your web browser and go to snapinsta.app. On the website, you will see a text box. Paste the Instagram video URL we copied earlier into this box by pressing and holding and selecting Paste. After pasting the URL, click Download button below the text box. Snap Insta will start processing the video, and once it's ready, you'll see a download button appear. Click the download button and the Instagram video will be saved to your device. And that's it! You successfully saved an Instagram video using Snap Insta. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!